Hey guys, Tony here. Welcome back. Just a very quick video for you with, again, my once per week technical analysis on GameStop, how I'm trading the play. As you know, I'm a swing trader on GameStop, trying to time the lows best I can and sell into the moves up. And along those lines, I did sell my position just prior to the earnings call, about 2 minutes before the market closed, and locked in those gains once again. Now we are watching the chart, looking at the TA, waiting for a good entry. Now you can see here quite plainly that GameStop has been in a long downward falling wedge pattern. So what we want to do is zoom in here and see where the next logical support level is for the price of GameStop. The blue lines are my DD, the falling wedge, and I told you guys about a week ago on March 27th that I expected the stock to continue trading down through the falling wedge, and we would be looking for some support where the stock reaches this bottom support line. And that is what I'm really watching for. It could be in the next couple days, it could be weeks, it could be months, it could trade down into this wedge. If the company comes out with some surprise news and the stock levels off and starts going up, then as I said last week, if we break through this top line, that might be a point where you consider taking an entry once you have a confirmed breakout. But typically, if you go back and look at the history of this falling wedge, it bounces off the bottom, bounces off the top as resistance. So that's where I want to be trading GameStop until I hear something new from management. And I certainly hope that I do, right? We all want to hear from Ryan Cohen that there is a new plan, something that we can get behind, something that will cause this stock to rally. And maybe that will happen. But until then, I'm going to stick to my plan. It's been working great for 2 years, trading the volatility, getting in on the lows and selling the highs and not listening to the hype. We're on a path here for GameStop to be testing $10 or so in the next 30 days. And although I would hate to see that happen for anybody who is holding GameStop, I know that is a crushing price to have to mentally deal with. If we get to a point where GameStop is bouncing off of this blue line, that is the first point where I'm going to consider getting in. And I will look at my other TA factors, and we'll talk about that more in detail when we get to that point, looking at the moving averages, looking at the RSI, looking at the MACD, which is not looking bullish right now, the MACD. The only real positive indicator we have on here is that the RSI is really low, and that's just not enough to signal a buy today. Let me know your thoughts, comments, or questions down below. Good luck trading GameStop, and I will see ya on the next video.